And the red light's on, I think.
Yeah.
Hello everybody. We are on the Spinosauras. Hayling Island.
Spinosaurus. Spin.
And here we go.
It got pace. Oh. Oh, it spins. It's quite a good coaster, this one.
Might not be able to see it yet. It's skewy.
That was good. Hey, that was really good.
And then stop and then reset the cars. Wait, return. Oh, we went the quick way.